Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a cute squirrel? Well, let's get started. And these are the colors that I will be using. We are going to draw a circle. Okay, so here's the circle. We're going to draw the little ears. So they have a little bit of a point at the top, little triangle shapes. And for the body, we can just draw one line down on both sides. Okay, and then just a little bit more curved here lines. And for the feet, we're going to draw an arch. So another arch, and we're going to bring a line down to attach it. Okay, and then here we can attach our line. Okay, so for the hands, so we can just draw a cute line across and then around, and again the same thing. Okay, now they have quite a bit of fur, so you can just do little zigzags all the way down. And we can also add little lines where the feet are at the bottom, okay? For the eyes, we'll draw two nice big eyes, so circles. And we can draw another little circle inside, and then you can just shade around it. So we have little highlights of the eye. Okay, and the nose, a nice oval shape. You can also shade in the bottom of the nose and a curved line for the mouth on both sides. And you can add a tooth, a line down, across, and up. It's a hungry squirrel. Two little eyebrows as well. You could add two little whiskers on each side. And squirrels, they really love to eat nuts like acorns. So I'm going to draw a little oval shape just like that. And then sort of like a U shape at the bottom. And then the top, a line for our acorn. And you can do little lines for the hands. Okay, now they have nice big tails. Start it from this point all the way, just like that, a nice little arch. And then we are going to continue, and we're going to bring it back here, okay? And you could also draw another line there for tail. Some details in the ears. Little lines here, okay? And little hair that's sticking up from our squirrel. I'm gonna use brown for the outside here. All right, so there's more than 280 species of squirrels, lots of squirrels. And they're actually rodents. Okay, so there's tree squirrels, there's flying squirrels. So they like to eat, especially the tree squirrels, they eat nuts, seeds, and fruits. But they are also omnivores. Okay, so the gray squirrels, especially, they eat insects, snails, birds' eggs as well. And they're very clever the way they collect their food, their nuts, when they hide it as well. They make sure that the other squirrels or animals don't steal their food, like the nuts they've collected. They like to bury it very deep in the ground, okay? So few of them hibernate. And they communicate by high frequency chirps and tail movements. So they use their tails quite a bit. So if they ever feel threatened, they bolt. So they're pretty quick and they flee in a zigzag pattern. Okay, so I'm also going to blend in different colors and use my pink here for the little cheeks. And I'm also going to use a lighter shade of brown. And I'm just going to go around it. So their teeth never stop growing. So that's why they have to constantly eat, okay? Nibble on their nuts so that their teeth don't get too long, okay? And they usually gather their food during the day and they rest at night. And they eat 1 pound of food per week, okay? All right, so I'm also going to color the little acorn. And there's lots of fun books. There's Scaredy, Squirrel, lots of fun stories. I'm going to also add some grass here. There we go. Okay, so I'm also going to just add a little bit of my gray just to give it a little bit more of dimension. All right, before I go, I have a cute little joke. What's a squirrel's favorite ballet? The Nutcracker. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.